Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unpair this headphone to our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to unpair it, so you can unpair. In this video guys, I will show you how to unpair. So let's see how to unpair. First of all guys, open your phone setting. And before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Guys, click on Bluetooth and device. Guys, click on Bluetooth and guys click on this setting option. Guys, you want to unpair this headphone to your Vivo phone, so you can this setting icon, right? Click here. Then guys you can see forget, so you will have to forget, then guys it will unpair guys. So you click on this network, so it will unpair in your Vivo phone. So we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth headphone in Vivo Y21 A phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.